Okay, so dito kami sa Visby, Sweden. Meron akong 3 hours tour. No? Dito kami sa unang destination sa Clip. So, ayun yung ibang guests. No? Sumama na naman tayo ng tour. Okay. So, ano ba maganda makikita dito? Ayun. Sightseeing na. Okay. So, ito yung makikita. Ang bayan nila. Doon kami galing kanina. Ito pala, ayan. Royal Caribbean. Okay. Tendering. Sa bilang sa cliff. So Sweden. Dito. Oras na para bumalik.
Castle up on the bridge. You recognize
Yan yung tour guide
the
namin.
image, I suppose. But they had problems. There was a lot of pirates going around in Europe plundering these wallets.
Ito
So
yung
these
part,
started
no?
to work in networks to protect them. And these networks, one name, they call it Hansa. Old German.
Sweden. Nasa Sweden tayo ngayon.
They started in this war.
Visby, Sweden.
But of course, after a while, even if it was still in this network, they organized war and out to Belgium and Flandern, started building up big cities. And that was quite interesting. What did they do? Well, they built a lot of houses, put a lot of merchants, wherever they come from, in these houses, gave them their own free of right, and even so their own laws. Just to show where the limit is. So that you can see church ruins wherever you go in the city, and from this spot you can also see the sea.
Lakad-lakad lang sa kanila yung mga ano.
That in the middle of the
Park kasi na ngayon.
they built a long way around, and ended up they were ready in 1288. What do we know so exactly why? The core, the peasants outside, realized that the nation of the East was liberty. It was like dividing the burghers won the last battle. So it was divided into parts. Gotland and Gotland outside the wall and Visby inside. Still looks great. Det är som
Yeah.
You live on the island?
No, I work on the ship.
Just work on the ship.
Yeah.
He's got a paddle.
Yeah.
Wait,
I get a paddle to get a free access and tour.
yeah. Yeah, we remember that's the last evening trip.
Yeah.
Everyone will move in.
So, mostly itong tour na to ay walking tour siya, no? sightseeing tour walking. Mga old building nila. Alright.
That was an ensign of John the Baptist. So that we know was an ensign of
Okay, sir.
history and prophecy.
Mga old ano nila to, building.
Modern techniques and modern way to take to have new rams, so to say, it turns into a ram instead, even on the flat.
Hindi ng garden yun.
But these rams are just standing there instead of a 30 square concrete block stuck to fat gravity. We made them out to ram stand. So that is the reason of that. Inside the wall, I would like to recreate how it looked like during the beginning of the 13th century.
13th century pa itong lugar na to.
You had a lot of storehouses stretching. That is an original one, even if they had made a lot of
Ito ang kagandahan sa Europe. Yung mga structure ng building nila, yung mga ganyan, hindi talaga nabago yan. Since 13th century, pinipreserve nila yan.
in that part.
Kaya naman talaga nagiging tourist spot yung lugar nila.
I could mention about this city hall, an interesting thing. It was the wine house. And as you understand, up here in Scandinavia at that time, wine was a luxury article.
Yung
So when a ship came in,
wall na to, matagal na rin yan.
then the council had to taste the
Let's have
wine.
some pictures.
So the quality was the right before it. But then they took
Pati
Texas
yung
of
daan,
course,
makikita
some
mo.
barrels of wine, put into the cellars in the city hall. I don't know if they could drink it themselves or not. I don't know the reason behind it. But after a while they open up the cellars for common people to go down and buy something over the wine. That's why it's called wine.
Wine house.
The interesting part of
Pero mga restaurant na siya.
it is
Ito na yung city
this
nila.
house you wouldn't see, but the family, really good, really good. There was the hidden part. It's rental apartments. So there is a modern apartment in this house from the first. Why I'm up here is just to tell you how they built these houses. Because they started like the built first, quite a high room, which they divided into 2 stories. The cellar, see the on both sides of the main door, the entrances to the
Pabakas mo yung kalumaan na talaga niya.
the first story. That means when you come into the first
Ito na yung harap ng lumang apartment na sinasabi nila. Ayan, kanina. Dito tayo ngayon sa angulo na harap. No? From medieval ages, 11 to 13th century pa ata itong mga ito. Kaya pinapreserve talaga nila. Ito no, mababakbak na. Okay. Galing, no? Okay, so ito na. Nasa huli tayo para mabantayan natin kung sino yung mga naiiwan. Okay? Picture. Okay, tahimik na lugar. So, ayan tayo. May dala tayong palaging lollipop. Yan. Lollipop boy tayo para nakakalibre tayo ng tour. Diba? At least nalibot pa natin yung ano, ibang parte ng mundo. Okay. This is nice. Okay.
It's actually the crenellation and top of the wall.
Okay, so dito naman tayo sa ito, natawag nilang defense tower, no?
And
Talagang
I jumped
mga
over
800
part
years
of
na daw yan.
history in this place. Before we had the German city in the 13th century, up in these blocks, we had a three-stone city, Gotlandic one. And the harbor outside that city.
Grabe no, defense tower nila to, no? Bagay itsura pa lang eh. Mukhang matibay naman talaga to. Mga purong bato talaga to eh.
Then, we proceeding in this direction.
Wall. Parang yung kahapon din. Yung kahapon din na pinunta natin. Saan ba yun? So may Germany, no? May mga wall din sila. Nagpo-protekta sa city nila, no? Okay.
Which is
Ang cute ng bahay, ah.
South direction, the original one.
Ah,
So
itong
many
bahay.
of the others are also the original one.
Kahoy.
We have a lot of names of houses and churches. You will realize that during the tour. And we have nearly a completed wall, and that also will be realistic. But what we could told this man from
So
UNESCO,
inaano niya yung itong bahay. Wooden house pala to. Yan. From
we could tell
17th
him
century
how
pa.
many of these houses we have inside the wall. Do you know how
Kasi
many we
yung
have?
mga bahay, may mga chimney. Ayan.
One? Yes, you
Kasi
at
pag
least you see one.
malamig dito eh. Pag winter talaga. Pupuno to
800.
ng snow.
800 of these houses. Why can't we see any more? Because some of them are plastered on the outside. That is exactly a similar house, even so that one. I give you a tip. If you ever come back to Visby, which I hope, walking around with your friends, family, whatever you're walking with, you could impress them. Look into the windows. If it's very deep window openings, it's a stone house, and you tell your friends, 13th century. And if it's not deep, like here, it's a
13th
wooden house,
century.
and you tell them, 17th, 18th century. You will impress, I'm sure that. Now we walk up to the
Grabe,
Copernicus
no?
house.
Puta. Tanda na pala ng bahay na to. No? Okay. So para daw hindi gumalaw-galaw yung kahoy, may nilagay sila rito eh. Ayan o. Hindi ko alam. Nakalimutan ko kung ano yung sinabi niya. Okay. So ano yung tinitingnan nila dito? Oh. Okay. So parang magandang garden. No? Okay.
Fantastic, fantastic.
Wow. So this is the botanical garden.
The others, you will say, no, that's not either. That's why I picked one more leaf. But it comes from the same growing, these two leaves. So the secret about the ivy is that it has two kind of different branches. The one with the traditional leaf you find close to the wall, because they had just one task, to climb, nothing else. They are not fertile. If the circumstances are right, it's sticking out new branches like this from the wall out, which are fertile and have flowers in September.
Ang cute ng mga house nila. Mababa lang yung mga ceiling. No? Mababa lang.
Flowers and the right circumstances, steady climber and light.
Kasi mga lumang style na to ng bahay.
So, something you do. Then it
Okay. So pasok tayo dito sa trad guard. Ewan ko. Okay kung ano yan. Pero siguro botanical park yan. Huh? Okay.
local species of apple. Species of apple tree. Do you realize that who is the man who just right out there? Who is it? You must be botanical. That was a scientist from Sweden, lived 18th century. He gave animals, stones, and mainly flowers a system where they had a sexual system, which they gave the Latin names of. 2 Latin names. Linnaeus. Linnaeus. That's the name of it.
botanical garden lang.
I think we may see a fence over there. There's an airplane started, buses there, and there is some restaurant also. I hope it's open today. But I could mention it's just this little part of the garden. And it's so beautiful, so feel it by yourself. I think that's the best way. And some part I do know about this. So ask me if you want.
What's the name of those big ones? We have them in Portland too. They
Yeah.
they make stone.
So, papicture muna tayo dito sa kahoy na to.
You could say
Okay, so yung garden nila. Wow. Ganda ba? Hindi ako masyado na-amaze sa lugar nila, sa tour na to. Pero it's better than nothing. Sayang, minsan ka lang makakapunta sa Sweden. So dapat lubusin mo na. Okay.
Young species.
Okay, so Rosa Gallica. Kaya botanical garden talaga. Alright. So, okay, pati ito. Ang bulaklak. Ayan, ito na yung botanical garden nila. Ito kung mahilig ka sa mga halaman. Mga bulaklak. Ito mga to, ayan. Wala ba dito ang sampalita? Okay. Botanical garden nila, no? At Visby, Sweden. Okay, so wala namang masyadong na-amaze. Ito mga maganda. Okay. Dito pa tayo sa isang area nila. Okay. It's okay.
Thank you.
Yes. Okay, baka oras na para bumalik. Okay, ito parang pine tree, no? Pero hindi siya pine tree. Mukha lang. Ito siya. Balik na tayo. Okay, kung ikaw yung taong mahilig sa mga halaman at bulaklak, this is nice. Okay, so we're heading to the next destination after this. Ano po yung sampagitan natin? Ano sampagitan? Joke lang. Okay, andun yung bus. Nag-aantay na. Oras na para malis.